Hey friends, today I'm removing and replacing regular light bulbs with Firefly LED light bulbs, and this is for the dome light. So you want to take your tool that came with it and get it right up under here, and then just kind of rotate the tool a little bit. It should come off there, and then this comes. You can kind of pop this out if you want. Like that. And this also kind of comes down the other way. Now you can access those. Just kind of pull these out. Okay. There we go. And these bulbs are replaced with the Firefly LED dome light bulbs, or dome lights. So this came with a pack of pretty much all your bulbs. I mean LEDs, I'm sorry, I keep saying bulbs. They're not bulbs anymore. So just gonna push them in there. Like that. Okay, so one side is working, one side isn't. So what you want to do, if it doesn't work, don't worry. Pull it out, flip it around, and push it back in there. And there you have it. Turn those off, and we'll get the top back on there. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You guys can check these out. So that goes right back up on here. Make sure your LEDs can go through there. Okay. Snap that in place. And this goes up. There's a couple of holes right here. Kind of push those up this way. And just swing those into place. Easier said than done sometimes. And swing it down now. Alright. Get back up in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's how we want that. Make sure we're still good here. This was the toughest one so far. Not that difficult, but there we go. Okay, so I get it nice and pop the edges in here on the side, and then there we go. Good to go. That's way brighter. Okay, so the holdup was, let me show you here. Around back, it was going underneath the roof part and then folding under when I was pushing it in. So just make sure it goes up enough to clear the roof, your fabric on the top here, and then it'll curve over the top of that, kind of hold it in. And you got two little pegs on either side here. Those ones just kind of push in a little bit to get it going. And then one here and on the other side, and then just snap it up in place like that. So, all right, my friends, thanks for watching this video. I'm sorry it took so long. I don't know if I mentioned before, these are Firefly LEDs for 2007 through 2019 Toyota Tundras. And I'll leave a link in the description below. You can pick them up off of Amazon. So thanks for watching, everybody.